Here's an introduction guide on how to prepare a space for scanning with the Metaroom app. To get the best results for your 3D model, it is recommended to prepare the room before starting the scan. Follow the next recommendations to make sure your scan space is captured accurately. Close all the doors and windows in the room. Open all curtains and blinds in the room to have the best possible light. In order to improve furniture detection, separate objects from each other. Before starting the scan, always make sure that your device lens is clean. If you need to scan a room with people present, they will not be recognized. The Metaroom app will only recognize the geometry, like walls, doors, and furniture, while ignoring people in the room. We prioritize a secure scanning experience, emphasizing privacy and secure data storage for our customers.